Going for the hat-trick. We're all set. Gates are open. They've fired away to a perfect beginning. Pocket Power landed running. He's one of the early leaders. Majestic Sun now moves past him up on the outside. Quick Millions is going up to get a good early position too. He's showing plenty of early speed. There's quite a good pace on up front. Float Your Boat has now gone up to race handy too. Vision of Grandier's in behind that. Thundering Jet. Pocket Power after an alert start as he's back and he's settling about 5 lengths off the leader. There's one covered on his far side. We'll pick that one up in a moment. That's Buy and Sell, who's moving around horses but races 3 deep on the outside. They being followed by African Appeal back 6 off the lead. Our Giant keeps that one company up on the outside. Capel's racing towards the back of the field and Alvaro is the trailer and 8 or 9 lengths would cover them. Midway round that turn they go to the 800. Majestic Sun is out on the lead. Float Your Boat up on the far side. They being followed by Quick Millions along the inside. Vision of Grandier's just in behind that. Thundering Jet will corner 3 lengths off them. Buy and Sell races up on his outside. Pocket Power will corner back 6 lengths off the lead. Alvaro and African Appeal towards the inside and Capel your trailer. They race down towards the final 400. Majestic Sun still in front. Float Your Boat now starts to put on the pressure. Vision of Grandier's going through down towards the inside. Quick Millions is there too. Now Pocket Power starts to lengthen his stride in the centre and Our Giant outside of him is coming to make a race of it. It's Pocket Power who's come forward to pick it up. Our Giant and Capel from the back of the field is charging home. It's Pocket Power holding challenges at bay. Capel and Our Giant are up on the outside, but Pocket Power's too good. Pocket Power rewrites these 2 books and wins it from Our Giant and Capel. In behind them came Buy and Sell, African Appeal further back. Vision of Grandier, then came Thundering Jet. Float Your Boat was further back. Alvaro behind that Majestic Sun and Quick Millions the last to cross the line.